Hey, it's Michelle Cunningham, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can use affiliate marketing to make some money sharing the things that you totally love. And this particular training is all about how to use Amazon affiliate program. It's probably the best starter place to begin with because you're probably already using Amazon some way, somehow. You're probably buying products there. And it's a really simple affiliate program that you can use to start promoting your products. So let's dive in. Okay, so what you'll see on my screen here is I actually designed something super pretty and super cool inside of Canva to be able to give to my audience. And if you're like,
wait, this is really pretty. Can I get this exact one below?
Yeah, you can actually go to the landing page of this and like grab this and get all this information. But I'm also going to give you the template link to this. So if you're like, no, I like your design, I just want to plug my own words in and make my own, you can totally do that. I'll put the template link below called template link. And that'll link you right to Canva, and you can just edit this and plug in your own stuff. Just make sure you change out my links, otherwise I'm gonna make affiliate commission and you won't. So anyway, so I did a YouTube video. It was basically a training of like my background, right? And I was sharing kind of how I inexpensively created my dream office. And I always get questions after I make videos like this, like, wait, where did you get those handles? Or wait, where can I get your book? Or how can I get that box? And so what we did is we put together a list of all of the items that are in my office. And it's awesome because when someone asks a question, it's answered in this form right here, and it's pretty. And the cool thing is all of these links are, for the most part, Amazon affiliate links. Some are random things to Etsy that I don't get paid on. But anything that's an Amazon link that you see here, you can see Summer Romance Packets. That's my favorite scent that makes my office smell so good. So this link, when you go to that, it's my Amazon affiliate link. Hey, are you enjoying this video? Just make sure you give it a quick like, because that's good for the algorithm, and that makes me happy. And if I take you over to Amazon, what you'll see here is, do I make $1 million doing this? No, I make $1 million selling digital courses, right? But I make a little bit of extra money here. So last year I made $486 in free Amazon money, which I don't know about you, but like that's fun. Like fun, it's fun every month. Amazon's like, here you go, here's some money. They give me a little gift card and I can buy whatever I want. Now, I don't give a whole lot of attention to this. I probably, if I was really focused and really cranking out videos and putting this out all the time, this number could be exponentially more. But I generated over $14,000 in revenue for Amazon, and they paid me a very small percentage, $486. And so I just want to show you how this works. If you go to Amazon, just look up affiliate program Amazon and you'll end up on affiliate-program.amazon.com. And when you get here, you'll see that you can sign up. I didn't really know how to sign up. I just figured it out. So you'll figure it out. And once you're in here, then it's easy to come in here and find product links for the particular thing that you want to promote. So the quickest and easiest way to do this is you can download this link. It puts this site stripe right at the top of your web browser so that when you need to grab a link for something, the link will pop up right at the top there. So super duper simple. Just click learn more here once you're inside, and you can download that to go right onto your banner. Oh wait, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this book, make sure you subscribe right below. So what's really cool about Amazon is you can find your item that you want to share with other people, and you just come over here and push this little button right here. When you push on it, look, it pops up your affiliate links. And so you can just copy your link. I have different tracking IDs. I don't honestly even know the difference between them, but I have them there for whatever reason. But just click on copy associates link. And that link, now when you share it with people, is your Amazon affiliate link. So it's really easy to be kind of on the fly and share them. And I even go a step further. Like if I'm going to be sharing that with a ton of people, I make a shortcut for it. So if I don't make a whole guide for it, I come over to my settings in my phone right here. And then I come down to general, and then I go into keyboard, and then I go to text replacement, and I have got shortcuts for literally everything that I mean, I have so many of these in here. But I come over to plus, and I might say, here's the lamp I totally love, and I'll type that, and I'll hit paste, and it's the affiliate link. And then I'll just type this in my phone as lamp with 2 P's, just so every time I type lamp, it doesn't just pop up. But so then I've got this saved in here. I might just fix this up so it's capital. Here is the lamp. I like everything to be perfect, so capital I, totally love. Save. So now let's say I'm in a conversation with someone. So let's say someone texts me. All I do is type in lamp with 2 P's. Here's the lamp I totally love. Boom. So this is a really easy and simple way to get your affiliate links out to everybody if you don't want to have to take the hassle of putting them into a whole guide. So I just wanted to share that little hack with you. Hey, wait, just a quick heads up. I put the links below. So anything I'm talking about in this video, the links are below, right below this video, so you can check them out. So isn't that super fun? You literally can put your QR codes right in here. And the way that you do that is you just grab your link of what you're gonna be promoting and then come down to this bottom down here, underneath this little thing here. I've got something that's popped up there. Right below here, you wanna click more. Okay, so I clicked more right behind here, and then QR code, and you'd put the link to your Amazon item, and after you entered it, it'll generate this, and that is where you'll put it. So it's actually this link we put in here, and it generates a QR code. That QR code is something anyone can scan with their phone and then go purchase the product. So it makes it super simple for your audience to be able to grab the item kind of right on the go. Those are all of the items in my office, but more so a tutorial of exactly how to do it yourself. So that's the deal. And then, hey, one last thing. Just leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of video you would like me to make next. I'm really good at network marketing. I'm really good at copywriting, graphics, design, Canva, and I know how to make tons of money using internet marketing. So if there's a training you'd like me to create for you, please drop it below. I would love to make it for you. I also, in the back end of this, and this is a little bit of a strategy, because I'm a network marketing trainer and I help people in network marketing. I have lots of different courses that help people build a brand online, and I have courses that teach network marketers how to be successful. So this is for anybody who wants to generate more leads online. I put this on the back end of this. So if they're like, wait, I need more leads, I need more people paying attention to my stuff, I show people how to generate leads online, and I put a QR code link to that also. And so just another way to maximize your ability to help other people and also produce income and use that money to do good in the world. I'm so passionate about making a ton of money so I can help more people. And I just literally love that I was able to do so many crazy things for people this month. Down payment on a home for somebody that needed a home payment. I gave someone a $20,000 bonus. I gave someone else a $20,000 bonus. I paid someone over $4,000. Paid a bunch of people on my team a crazy amount of money. And I do that, and it makes my heart dance. It truly makes my heart dance. So my passion is showing you how you can create loads and loads of money, and you can use that extra money to do good in the world. Anyway, so that's my training. I did put the template link for the Canva for you to be able to use and create your own. For the Amazon affiliate area, you might have to stumble through signing up a little bit, but I believe there's one thing to be true. Everything is figure-outable. So if for some reason you can't figure it out, go to Google. Google will lead you to YouTube. YouTube's your best friend. You can find a short video that shows you how to sign up for their program. And it's been awesome because I get free stuff. And like, that's actually really super awesome. Anyway, okay, so that's the deal. I love you. You're beautiful. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to ride a moped, and we're going to do some safety tips. Alright, step 1 for safety tips. You always have to put a helmet on. And step 2, you always have to have shoes on. Step 3, if you're going down a hill, you always have to use your feet and the brake, because that's how you get not hurt. And that's what I do so I don't get hurt. And if you go up a hill, you always want to have this on so you don't fall back and crack your head. Also, you can put stickers on it. This came with a belt. So, goodbye guys.